This video is sponsored by Predictive Coach, protecting your brand, your drivers, and your bottom line. To draw a zone on the map, navigate to Map and click Add Zone. Now when you hover over the map screen, you've got these crosshairs for your mouse pointer, and you can zoom in or scroll around as needed to get to the right spot. My personal recommendation here, to be as accurate as possible, is to change up the view to satellite so that it's easier to tell where to draw. Once you've adjusted the screen, click anywhere to start the zone. Now it's just a matter of connecting the dots into whatever shape you'd like. Until you connect the first dot with the last one, you can click anywhere on one of these lines to add more dots, and you can click and drag dots around so that you can adjust the shape. Once you've got everything looking good, connect back to the first dot, and you'll be taken to this page where you can fill in details about the zone. First, we'll give this a name, we'll add in a comment to provide some extra context, and then we'll click this map view option where we can adjust the zone's color and transparency level, and then once everything looks good, we'll click Save up here at the top to apply our changes.